Tired of everyday messes? The BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Blast Cordless Handheld Vacuum delivers powerful cordless suction for quick and easy cleaning at home or in your car. What's in the box? In the box, you find the BLACK+DECKER Blast Cordless Handheld Vacuum, washable filter, push-in crevice tool, power adapter, and user manual. Product overview. How to use? To use the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Blast Cordless Handheld Vacuum, press the power button to start cleaning. Move the vacuum across surfaces to pick up dust, crumbs, and debris, and use the included attachments to reach tight spaces and hard-to-clean areas. Its cordless design makes cleaning quick and convenient around your home, car, and other spaces. Maintenance. To maintain the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Blast Cordless Handheld Vacuum, regularly empty the dust bowl after use and clean the filter to keep suction power strong. Wash or replace the filter as needed, remove any debris from the attachments, and store the vacuum in a dry place to ensure reliable performance and longer-lasting use. Smart features? Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Blast Handheld Vacuum. See you at the next one.